Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit PDF file for completely free. We are not going to install any third-party trial version software to edit the PDF document. We are going to edit PDF document with Canva free account. With Canva's built-in PDF editor, you can upload and edit the PDF document easily. You can do this on Windows PC as well as on Mac OS. So let's get started. First open any browser and go to canva.com. If you don't have Canva account, then you can create a free account using your Gmail address. So here is a sample PDF document that I am going to edit with Canva. First, we are going to upload this PDF to Canva. You can upload PDF document in two ways. Just click on Create a Design button and then click Import File option. Then select the PDF file from your computer to upload it to Canva. You can even drag and drop the PDF file directly to Canva. Let's drag and drop the PDF document. So now our file is uploaded. You will find the file under Recent Designs. Just click on the file to open in Canva PDF editor. Now you can start editing the PDF as per your needs. You can update the text, add or remove the image, change text color or change the text font type and size. Once done, you may assign the name to PDF document. Now to download this PDF document, click on Share button on the top right side, then click on Download button. Now change the file type to PDF standard and then click on Download button. And the file will start downloading to your computer. Here is the PDF file that we just edited. Note that you can only upload PDF file with the size up to 15 MB and you can import PDF files with up to 15 pages. So that is how you can edit PDF file for completely free. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.